Fact 1. German Shepherd puppies have floppy ears at first, but they naturally stand up as they grow. Fact 2. Because of their strength and focus, they're used the most in police and rescue teams. Fact 3. German Shepherds are extremely loyal and will protect their owner no matter what. Fact 4. Without enough exercise, they get bored and start acting naughty. Fact 5. German Shepherds are one of the smartest dog breeds. They can learn over 100 commands. Fact 6. They can run up to 48 kilometers per hour, 30 miles per hour.